Guess what? We're closing today. Hey guys, so today is closing day. We just had a final walkthrough of the house just to like tie up some little bit stuff that was left from our previous walkthrough. So everything is good now. We're on our way to the bank to go get the money. We're about to be broke. Just kidding. Broke, but we're going to head to our appointment, which is I think is at 11. To close and get the keys, hopefully soon after that. We're excited. Can you show some excitement? Okay. Got the checks. About to go pay for this house.
That's the deal right now, and that back and forth of me having to step in.
Are you excited?
Yes!
All right. It is time to brush our teeth, girls.
Where's the toothpaste? Too much water.
Yeah, we don't want to waste water. Okay, wet your brush. Look at you.
My chair. Nice hat.
Thank you. That did me. Oh, you left the light on. Oh, that's it.
All right, so we are unpacking right now. It has been a very, very, very long day. But we don't get our fridge until 5 days from now, so we're using this little mini fridge that we got earlier from Best Buy. And then when our fridge finally comes, it's gonna be here. So the cooker is not working. Trying to figure out what's going on because we gotta eat tomorrow.
do for the other one. Look. You just put it in, and then you turn.
It looks like a resort. Hey, sea fridge, sea fridge, sea fridge, sea fridge. Hey! I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hey, 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 hey.
Graduates from the small fridge to the big brother.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, I am me. Oh, shit.
What's this right here?
It's a birthmark. Oh wait, that one? I don't know. I think that's just a scar. Charlotte, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you gonna go dance? Oh no! There you go. What are you doing, Ray? Let me see. Wow, look at you.
Why do we have a dog in this house? Whose dog is this?
Hey y'all, so as you can see, we are in the old house. Trying to get the place ready for the Airbnb to start next week or end of next week. Next weekend, actually, to be more precise. We're pretty much done. We've gone through all the different floors and cleared everything out. We're leaving all our furniture, as you can see. And we have a designer slash, like, not really stager, but bringing in some more furniture. Like, we're gonna put a dining table right here so it can sit more people. This is gonna be taken out. And then a few other things in the rooms, like we're adding 2 beds in one of the rooms. We left our bed here. You guys, all right, let me fill y'all in on how it's been so far since we moved. I think we are on day 4 or day 5, I can't remember, but first day was fun. Honestly, me and IBK kept saying it feels like we're on vacation, like on a hotel somewhere. I don't think it really hit that like this was our house. Like, it just felt like we traveled somewhere and we were staying at, like, I don't know, a really nice hotel. So anyways, first day was fun. We tried to unpack like the kitchen and just goofed around, listened to music. Sorry, just got a notification. And yeah, I went to bed. The second day, y'all, tell me why we all had, well, everybody except for Lore had not food poisoning. Actually, we thought it was food poisoning, but it turns out it was the stomach virus going around. And everything was coming out from both ends, like, all day. Actually, me and IBK started earlier in the morning. Actually, right when we woke up, it was like bathroom. And then towards like the evening, we noticed that Tella too was like throwing up. Actually, after her nap, not in the evening. After the nap, she started throwing up. And yeah, so day 2 was not fun. Luckily, it only lasted like that day and then a little bit the next day. But then we were fine. But we were just like, what the heck? So we spent most of the day just like sleeping it off. And then what else? But yeah, y'all, I have just been trying to figure out where I should put things. I need to hire someone to help me organize things because I have come to the realization and I am accepting that that is just not my strong suit, or like that's just not where my strengths lie at all. So I'm trying to figure that out. And then also with I'm in my office right now. Let me show y'all. It looks a mess. Look at this. Y'all see this? Yeah. Send help. But yeah, so I'm trying to figure out where to put everything. This office or studio, I would say, is basically where I'm gonna be when I'm working, and where I'm gonna probably shoot a lot of my content. So I'm trying to figure out a good balance of, ooh, I'm using my food to hold this thing up. This is not smart, but I'm trying to figure out a good balance of like, you know, where I should put my makeup and my hair stuff, because I will be filming like, you know, beauty tutorials and you know, maybe some hair stuff here and there in here, just because the lighting is amazing, because it's facing a window. Let me show y'all the window. The lighting in the whole house, honestly, is like unbelievable, but I want to be spending most of my work time in here. So I don't know if I should put, like, store all my makeup, like majority of my makeup in here, or I should just put it in my vanity in the bathroom, or my closet. It can't fit my closet. Also with hair stuff, I don't know if I should put some of it in here, some of it in my bathroom. I'm just kind of confused because I don't want it to be cluttered. I don't want it to be like crazy in here, because it is like one of the first things you see when you come into the house. But I also don't want to be walking all the way to my room to go get stuff all the time and like, you know, be going back and forth. So I've been looking at Pinterest like every day, trying to come up with like ideas of what I can do. I do at some point want to do built-in shelves in the back, but that's gonna be a while, like probably not this year. Which I guess that brings me back to my next point. So the things that I'm focusing on right now in the house, as far as like decorating and designing and like getting fully furnished, is number one, let me rewind a little bit. So last weekend, the first weekend we were here, we actually spent most of the time, when we were not throwing up, we were setting up the backyard patio with furniture and a little bit of decor and stuff. I have a campaign coming up with Overstock and Safavia, if I'm pronouncing that right. And so we just did that first. So that's all set up, which is nice. It looks amazing, y'all. I'll try and show y'all a clip of it sometime, maybe here or maybe later, depends on when it goes live. So that's what that area is done. That was probably the first area that like I would say is like 90% complete. The next area that I'm working on is the kids' playroom, and then after the kids' playroom, I'm gonna be working on the kids' bedroom. So they're sharing a bedroom, and right now the color theme I'm going for is like brown, pink, and a little bit of green. So I'm really excited. I'm not like an interior designer or like, you know, into like, well, I am into decor and design, but I'm not like, you know, a professional by any means, but I do like creating. I do like being creative. And so it's been really fun for me coming up with like color schemes and like, you know, design ideas. I'm so excited for this playroom, y'all. Oh my God, I found this wallpaper and it just brings me joy. So Lori really wanted, she really likes rainbows and like rainbow themes and just colorful things. And so my original idea was just to do like a rainbow thing, but then I was like, this is kind of like a lot. Like it's just a lot of color and it's kind of like done before and kind of common. So I was like, okay, how can I make this into something that's more unique and something that she would actually also like? So I decided to do the rainbow theme, but instead of like regular rainbow, I'm gonna do like a pastel-y rainbow. So I'm really excited for that. That should be done hopefully within the next 2 weeks, definitely during this month of May. So then after that, then we will venture on to the living spaces. So the living room, right now there's no couch, so it's like not really used at all. And then the kitchen. So I do want to get pendant lights for the kitchen. That's pretty much it. We've already installed the, IBK installed all the poles this weekend or this past week. And then yeah, the dining area. So that's kind of what's coming up as far as like in the next month or two. So stay tuned for that. And then after that, I think that's gonna take me a long time actually, honestly. But after that, we can start to think about my bedroom. and this office. Yeah. But before then, I just want to make this office like livable, you know what I mean? Or like workable. I don't want obviously boxes everywhere, but I know I'm not gonna have like my built-in shelves in it for probably months. Sorry, I keep getting distracted with emails. But I want to make it simple enough where it looks good on camera and it looks good like when people come and visit. So anyways, guys, that's the plan. Wish me luck. I'm not gonna lie, this is all kind of overwhelming because I just have so much to do. And oh, I didn't even mention, I have been shuffling back and forth with sorry, they're doing construction outside. They're still building a lot of the homes around in this neighborhood. But anyway, so I have been shuffling. I have been shuffling back and forth between here and the old house because, like I mentioned in my last video, on one of my videos, we are Airbnb-ing that property. So I have been trying to get it ready, like cleaning it up and just taking some last minute boxes and things that we forgot to pack, like some cabinets that we never opened because we forgot about, and there are like a whole bunch of things there. So I've been shuffling back, trying to get all the stuff from the house and make it ready for the management company that's going to be handling the Airbnb for that property. So that's been really stressful. Along with just, you know, being a mom and having to like, you know, run the house and stuff. It's just been a lot. So yeah, but I'm happy, I'm blessed, and I'm super grateful for everything that's been going on this year. But yeah, there's so much to come, y'all. There's so much to come, and it's honestly overwhelming. But it's a good overwhelming. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna try, this is not very y'all probably thought it's not very, I'm not really used to this, like this type of content, but I'm experimenting. I'm trying to, you know, do new things and try new things. Yeah, so hope you stay tuned. Definitely have some more videos coming up, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Or is it here? I don't know. Here goes nothing. On your mark. Agbaya, look at you. Tyler, go, 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 go.